Welcome everyone, I'm Ben Pai Champagne, your trusted agent with EXP Realty of California. Today, I'm here to shed light on why having an agent is crucial when buying your next new construction home. New construction homes are alluring, promising a fresh start and modern amenities. However, navigating this territory can be complex without the right guidance. Here are the top 7 reasons why having an agent by your side is essential. Reason number 1, expert negotiation skills. First and foremost, a professional agent brings expert negotiation skills to the table. They act as your advocate, ensuring you the best deal, incentives, and upgrades, ultimately saving you money in the process. Number 2, understanding of contracts and paperwork. New construction homes come with a mountain of paperwork. An experienced agent like me can help decode and manage this paperwork, ensuring you understand what you're signing and protecting your interests. Number 3, knowledge of the local market. Agents like me possess in-depth knowledge of the local market trends. They provide insights into the best neighborhoods, upcoming developments, and the potential resale value of new construction properties. Number 4, building relationships with builders. I have established relationships with builders which can be instrumental in obtaining priority access, special promotion, and additional information about upcoming projects. Number 5, guidance through customization options. Customizing a new home construction can be overwhelming. As your agent assists you in navigating through the various options, upgrades, and design, ensuring you make informed decisions aligned with your preference and budget. Number 6, inspection assistance. Although new construction homes can have their share of issues, agents like me can recommend reputable inspectors to ensure the property is flawless and guide you through the inspection process. And number 7, ongoing support and advice. Finally, having an agent like me continues support even after the sale. We're there to address any concern, offer advice, and be your reliable point of contact throughout the entire process. Thank you for joining me and exploring these 7 compelling reasons why you having an agent is indispensable when purchasing a new home construction. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and comment below to share your thoughts on these reasons. Don't miss out on future insights and advice. Subscribe now, like I said, and stay tuned for more expert guidance from me, Ben, your agent with EXP Realty. See you on the next video. Take care, everyone.